Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to book a meeting using Calendly. Whether we are scheduling a consultation, interview, or team meeting, Calendly makes the process quick and easy. Let's get started. On the Calendly dashboard, we can look in the upper left part to find where to click or go to scheduling, and then create. There are different options for the type of meeting. It can be a group, one-on-one, collective, or a one-off meeting. Just pick the type we need. We will choose the one-on-one option. Here, we set the duration, such as 15 minutes. The duration can be changed to fit our needs. Next, we set the location, like Zoom. We can also add other platforms, such as Google Meet, or add locations like Teams. To use these, we need to connect the platform. After this, we set the availability. We can also select the host for the meeting. For example, we can click Host as You. Once everything is set up, we can upgrade if needed. After creating the event, we choose the date. For example, we can select tomorrow. We can also set the schedule, such as 9:30 a.m. When we are done, we just need to click Save Changes. After saving, let's check our meetings. We can see that the one-on-one meeting for 15 minutes is now booked. It shows 2 locations and the time from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Now, we can copy this and share it with the person we scheduled with. This is how we book a meeting on Calendly. Just pick your preference, confirm the details, and everything is ready.